Welcome to our tutorial on setting up the Arduino IDE for the Arduino Uno R4. In this video, we will guide you through the process of installing the Arduino IDE, downloading the Arduino Uno R4 package, selecting the correct board and port, and uploading a simple blink program to the Arduino Uno R4 to make an LED blink. First, let's download the Arduino IDE from the official website. Go to arduino.cc and click on the Software tab. Then, click on the Download button for the latest version of the Arduino IDE. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the Arduino IDE on your computer. Before we can use the Arduino Uno R4 with the Arduino IDE, we need to download the Arduino Uno UR4 package. To do this, open the Arduino IDE and go to the Tools menu. On the left side of the menu, you'll see a list of options. Click on Board Manager to open the Board Manager window. In the search bar at the top of the window, type Arduino Uno R4 and press Enter. You should see the Arduino Uno R4 package appear in the list of available packages. Click on the Install button next to the Arduino Uno R4 package to download and install it. Now that we have the Arduino IDE and the Arduino Uno R4 package installed, let's connect our Arduino Uno R4 to our computer using a USB cable. Make sure the board is powered on. Next, open the Arduino IDE. Go to the Tools menu and select Board from the drop-down menu. Choose Arduino Uno R4 now. Go back to the Tools menu and select Port. Choose the port that corresponds to your Arduino Uno R4. If you're not sure which port to choose, you can unplug the Arduino and see which port disappears from the list. That's the one you want to select. Now that we have the Arduino IDE set up, let's upload a simple blink program to the Arduino Uno R4. This program will make an LED connected to pin 13 blink on and off. First, connect an LED to pin 13 on your Arduino Uno R4. Make sure the long leg of the LED, the positive leg, is connected to pin 13 and the short leg, the negative leg, is connected to ground. Now, open the blink example sketch. You can find this sketch by going to the File menu, selecting Examples, then 01.basics, and finally Blink. In the blink sketch, you'll see two lines of code that define the pin the LED is connected to and the delay between each blink. You can change these values if you like, but for now, let's leave them as they are. Now, click on the Upload button in the Arduino IDE. This will compile the sketch and upload it to your Arduino Uno R4. Once the upload is complete, you should see the LED connected to pin 13 blinking on and off. That's it. You've successfully installed the Arduino IDE, downloaded the Arduino Uno R4 package, set up your Arduino Uno R4, and uploaded a blink program to make an LED blink. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.